guys, sobrang busy ng airport ngayon. Ang daming tao, nakakaloka. So guys, welcome back to another travel vlog. And for this trip, we are going to one of my favorite destinations in Southeast Asia, which is Bali, Indonesia. So ayun na nga guys, medyo nakakahagard yung dami ng tao. Pero hindi naman tayo tinablan, fresh pa rin tayo. Charot. So ang bilis lang, may pila sa immigration, pero walang tinanong sa akin at all. So ayun, nakalusot ako agad, and then after that, security, and then that's it. So ayun, maghanap muna ako ng cafe where pwede tayo tumambay, which is most likely Starbucks lang naman yung pupuntahan natin. And then doon ko i-share sa inyo yung mga requirements na kailangan for this trip. So guys, sa requirements, yun, aside from your passport na valid for 6 months or more, and yung round trip, flight ticket nyo, and accommodation. So kailangan nyo rin i-fill out yung e-travel form, and then for Indonesia, yung customs declaration form, and then yung parang health pass declaration form nila. And I will put all the links down below for your convenience. So ayun lang naman guys, very easy and very quick to fill out, and time check, it's already 7:20 PM and 7:40 yung boarding time ko. So I hope makaalis on time yung flight, and hopefully walang delays. So I will see you later once I arrive in Bali. And we made it here in Bali guys. Sobrang bilis lang ng pila sa immigration. Maigsi lang. Kasi siguro parang off-peak yung oras ng arrival. 12:40 kami nag-arrive here. And then naghihintay na lang ako ng luggage. Ayun. Pero yung sa visa on arrival, grabe, sobrang haba nung pila. So we are very lucky na hindi kailangan ng visa for us Filipinos to get here in Bali. Ayun guys, while waiting for the luggage, ayun, check ako na sa inyo. Nagbook ako ng transfer through Klook. And by the way, you can use my promo code for discounts when you book activities or hotels through Klook. So ayan, ilalagay ko na lang siya down below for your reference. And hindi na ako bumili or nag-book ng SIM card for this trip. Nag-register na lang ako ng roaming sa Globe. So ayun, 600 pesos siya. For 30 days na, and 25 gig yung allowance na data. So guys, we made it here sa Hotel Amalfi in Seminyak. Kasama ko yung sister ko, and dumating na siya. Nag-check-in na siya earlier. So ayun, sumunod na lang ako, and kumuha lang ako ng extra room key. So ayun, bukas na ako mag-room tour. Medyo magulo na yung room. And pati yung sa lobby, tomorrow ko na siya papakita sa inyo. So ayun guys, magsha-shower na ako, and then para makasleep na, and para magising ng maaga, para marami tayong ma-accomplish tomorrow. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and good night for now. Good morning guys. So it's officially our first day here in Bali and we are going to grab a quick coffee lang siguro kasi meron kaming itinerary later sa Nusa Dua and makikita nyo kung saan tayo pupunta. So guys, we are here at a relatively new cafe in Seminyak area. It's called 32 Gold and it's a Korean cafe and sobrang unique ng place, sobrang aesthetic. I highly recommend na i-try nyo here. Ay wait lang pala, check muna namin kung okay yung coffee and food before ko siya i-fully recommend sa inyo. So guys, na-try na namin yung coffee and food and now I can say marirecommend ko talaga siya kasi masarap yung coffee nila and yung pastries, grabe, super flaky nung na-order ko and ang sarap niya talaga, parang very expensive nung taste. Hello again guys, so we are on our way to the Apurva Kempinski Hotel to have afternoon tea and naghihintay na lang kami ng grab car. So ayun, almost 1 hour din yata yung travel time from Seminyak and I will show you later kung ano yung eksena doon and super worth it siya, I swear. So itry nyo siya if ever magpupunta kayo here in Bali. Guys, tingnan nyo yung buffet. Ganito. Kayo ang kukuha and magpupuno nung ano nyo, tier nung afternoon tea set nyo. So guys, we already made it here sa Purva Kempinski and nag-afternoon tea na kami ng sister ko. And may I say, this is the best afternoon tea I have tried ever kasi buffet style siya and yung selection ng food sobrang okay. And okay din yung lasa talaga. As in, no joke. Try nyo siya, I swear. Super recommended ko tong activity na to. And you can book it through Klook. Of course, you can use my promo code so you can get discounts. namin mag-afternoon tea sa Apurva Kempinski. Dumiretso na kami sa Kuta, sa Beach Walk Shopping Center para mag-dinner. Ayan, sa Johnny Rockets as you saw earlier. And ayun, medyo pagod na kami for today ng sister ko. So, mag-good night na ako sa inyo now, and I will see you in the next episode of our Bali travel series. Good night, guys!